in order to explain you regarding the chapter the 100 verses 1. My dear student, this chapter the 100 verses 1 has been divided into two parts, 100 verses 1 and 100 verses 2. So today I will teach you the 100 verses 1. My dear student, this chapter is related to such a story which is related to a girl, and the name of the girl is Wanda Petronsky. Wanda Petronsky is such a girl who is belong to a poor family, and she is presently living on Morgan's Heights. She is also reading in an American school along with all American students. She also comes to school from Morgan's Heights along with the students who are reading in our school. She is related to a poor family, so therefore she always comes to school in dirty clothes as well as muddy pair of shoes. Also, she comes to school too late. And another thing that she does not come to school regularly. But whenever she comes to school, she comes in dirty clothes as well as in muddy pair of shoes. Also, her dress is not ironed properly. And when she comes to school, then all the children start to see towards herself and start to also make a joke by taking a nap towards herself. As soon as she enters in the room, she sits on the last seat of the last row in a corner in room number 13. Some students also sit there. But those students who sit there, they are very rough students. They also are unable in order to get education. These students who are rough students in the class, they are continually busy in order to talk with each other as well as making a noise with each other. Due to this, Wanda Petronsky hearing is disturbed. But she always remains in silent mood. She does not speak even a single word. While other students, and mostly the girls students, talk to her, she also replies their questions positively and politely, but she is always in silent mood. She is a very good student in the classroom, but there are two students also in her class, Peggy and Maddie. Both of them are girl students. Peggy is such a student who is a techie girl and always comes in the class first, not only in home exam but also board exam. Each and every year she comes first. She is also very good in designing any picture by taking a photo, by taking a copy from a magazine. But she is also against, she always in protest of Wanda Petronsky by thinking that she is liar. And when Wanda Petronsky was asked by Peggy how many dresses and shoes does she have, And at this she replied that she contains 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. While whenever she came to school, she used to come in school always in dirty clothes as well as in muddy pair of shoes. Also, her dress was not ironed properly. Due to this, she understood, Peggy understood that she is a white liar, because if she had so many dresses and so many shoes, 100 plus 60, then why did she come late and in dirty clothes as well as in muddy pair of shoes? So, like this, Peggy understood Wanda Petrovsky as a liar. And due to this, she hates to Wanda Petrovsky because she was a liar student in the view of Peggy. Peggy and Maddie, both of them were first. Maddie always used to think that if any competition is held in order to design the dress, then definitely she will stood first. And she is so expert in designing the dress that she can copy any picture from the magazine. In the meanwhile, after some days, the competition was held. In the boys, the competition was related to design a motorboat, and in girls, the competition was related to design the dresses. Miss Masood was the teacher of Peggy, Mary, and Wanda Petrovsky. The next day, the result of the competition had to be told by Miss Masood, their class teacher. Before declaring the result, all were thinking that in girls, Peggy will stood first, and after boys, Jack Bagels will stood first. As soon as Peggy and Maddie, both of them, entered the classroom, they were surprised to see that 100 dresses at least were hanging on the wall in decorated condition after design. By seeing this, Maggie and Patty, both of them were surprised, were amazed. And after some time, Miss Masood, their class teacher, also entered the classroom. Now, she had to announce the result, who stood first or who did not stand first. Miss Masood first of all told about both of the condition, that also told that both of the condition were well, and nobody else tried to show that he is less to anybody else. Fancy declared the result that out of boys, Jack Bagels stood first in designing motorboat, and when the turn of the girls came, then Maddie and all the girls were thinking about the winner of Peggy, but it was not happening. Miss Masood told that all the computers are able or worthy for declaring winner, but only one out of them can be declared as winner, not more than this. So therefore, in the last of all, it was only Wanda Petrovsky who was declared, was announced as winner in designing dress. So therefore, as soon as the class saw it. The whole class was completely surprised and amazed that a student who came to school not regularly and that student had stood first in a competition. Also, the teacher said that the judge, in order to check the computer, do not judge that person because of financial condition, but the judge judges the computer because of his hacking qualities in his insight. By saying this all, the story is over. Our student now come to related question answer of this chapter. What was the peculiarity of Wanda Petrovsky? Wanda Petrovsky की विशेषता क्या थी? Wanda Petrovsky always used to come in light blue dress to school from Bogin's height. She was also belonged to a poor family. She used to come to school with American student in an American school. She used to come to school late, but not very well. Whenever she came to school, and all the students sitting in her class used to start laugh as soon as she entered the classroom. But in spite of it also, she did not speak even a single word, as she remained always in silent mood. And another thing that all the students sitting in her class talked to herself in a politely way. She also replied their question in a politely way and positively way. But she herself did not ask any question to anybody else. Now come to question number 2. Where did Wanda used to sit? As soon as Wanda Petrovsky came from Bogin's Hill, that was her village, with other children who used to read along with herself in the same school. She used to come late to the school, and she also used to sit down on last seat of last row in a corner in room number 13. Also, she did not speak even a single word. While other students used to sit down also along with herself, but most students were only half students. They did not also do in home exam well, they did not also do well in main exam well, as they were half students. They also were busy in order to get a job with herself. Other students also talked to herself in a politely way. She also replied to her question in a politely, but she herself never talked to anybody else by understanding that she had to ask any question. And thus she completed her study time. Maggie and Maggie, both of them, the girl, who were also studying in the same class. Maggie and Maggie, both of them, used to criticize Wanda Petrovsky by saying that she always comes late, and suddenly she always came in dirty uniform as well as muddy pair of shoes. And certainly her name was Wanda Petrovsky. Her name was a long name, While in our class, some student, all the students were known by the name as Thomas Smith Allen like this. While her name was in long words, Wanda Petrovsky, and she also came in the classroom by wearing the dirty clothes as well as muddy pair of shoes. So therefore, she was not liked by Peggy and Maggie. Question number 3. What did they think about water? All the students who are one student in our class, whether they came in morning, whether they came in noon, whether they came in evening, but they were busy in order to talk with each other as well as making a noise with each other. And by doing such, Wanda Petrovsky was disturbed totally. She could not understand even a single word, as all the students sitting on last rows, on last benches, were related to the family. They were also love students, as they did not take an interest in reading. Now on to question number 4. How can we estimate that Peggy was a soft girl? We can estimate that Peggy was a soft girl. Peggy was not a clever girl, not only for class but also for Wanda, Maggie and for the student. She was a very good student, and she always protected the small children from the bad student. And whenever she saw any mistreated animal, and she tried to be together for help. Also, if anybody else talked negatively about Wanda, then she was surprised and amazed to listen this. So therefore, we can say that Peggy was a soft girl, not a clever girl, for the class as well as Wanda and Maggie. What was the result of Miss Masoon? As soon as the competition of designing motorboat of the boys as well as the competition of the girls designing the dress was over, then the next day result of the sale had to be announced by the teacher, Miss Masoon. Then before coming to the classroom, Peggy and Maddie, both of them were talking with each other, and only Peggy will stood first in girls' competition. And Maddie knew very well that Maddie is such a girl who is very clever, who is very smart to copy any picture from a magazine. She is also very good in designing the dress. So therefore, she thought that Peggy will stood first in the competition of designing the dress. But as soon as they entered in the classroom, they saw that the classroom was completely decorated with hundred design dress, and it was because of Wanda Petrovsky. By seeing this, they were surprised and amazed of the future result. In the meanwhile, Miss Masoon, their teacher, entered the classroom. First of all, she told to all the students about their way of working, about their way of activity, and then after she declared and announced the result. First of all, she announced the result of the boys. Out of the boys, it was only Jack Bagels, who stood first in designing motorboat. Thereafter, the name of Wonder Park Foodstreet was told by the teacher, Miss Masood, as she was first in designing the dress, because she had designed 100 dresses in different colors and in practice. Also, Miss Masood, their teacher, told all the students in order to look the design dress, 100 design dresses of Wanda Tarkovsky. Also said that the judge does not judge anybody else because of financial condition, but a computer can be judged because of hidden qualities in himself. How did Maggie view for the contest? Maggie ने क्या सोचा contest के बारे में? Then the result was about to be announced by Miss Masood, their class teacher, and Maggie and Maddie, both of them were coming into the classroom in order to know the result about the competition, and it was said to Peggy by Maddie that it is only the Peggy who stood first in the competition, because she is also very expert and very clever in order to copy any picture from a magazine. So therefore, she will stood first. It was told to Peggy by her friend Maggie. Who was Peggy, and why was she so converted to Wanda? Peggy was a friend of Maggie. And both of them used to come to school together, as well as they left the school together for their houses. Peggy was not a clever student, but she was a good student, because she always protected the children from bad boys, from bad students, from bullies. Bullies is meant by Dabang. Always, also when she saw any animal mistreated or coming towards herself or coming towards any student, then she used to cry for all the students to be together there, as well as for help. If anybody else talked negatively about Wanda, then she was surprised and she was amazed to listen this, because she did not want to listen criticize about anybody else, and she was in this category. Why was she so converted to Wanda? She was so converted to Wanda because when once upon a time Peggy asked Wanda how many dresses and shoes does he have. At this, Wanda replied that she has 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes. But she always used to come to school by wearing only single dress, only one dress, and that too dirty dress and muddy pair of shoes. Due to this, Peggy thought that if she had 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes, then definitely he changed dress and shoes daily. While she was coming to school daily in the same class and in the same pair of shoes. Even her dress was not also ironed properly, and her shoes became muddy. So therefore, she thought that if she had 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes, then definitely she changed dress at least one shoe twice in a week. But in a week, she did not change even a single dress, only once. So therefore, she thought that Wanda was a liar student in her view. And it was only the reason that Peggy was capable to Wanda. Question number 8. What does the author want to convey through this story? The author want to convey through this story that Wanda Petrovsky was such a girl who belonged to a poor family, and she used to live at Bogin's Height. And her village was also located there. She also used to come in school by wearing dirty clothes as well as muddy pair of shoes. She also used to come to school along with American students in American school. But she did not come to school regularly. When she came to school, then as soon as she entered the classroom, all the students started to get a job by taking her name. Due to this, she was teased and insulted by them. And in a silent mood, she used to sit down on last seat of last row in a corner in room number 13. Also, she did not like to speak anybody else. Although some girl students were such who used to talk with herself, she also replied them in a politely way. But she did not ask any question to herself by thinking that she has to ask any question. While some other students were such who are sitting near her bench, who are very rough. They also were related to a rough family. Neither they got education and nor they lacked anybody else to get education. Whenever they came into school, whether in morning, whether in noon, whether in evening, but they were busy talking with each other as well as disturbing with each other and making a noise. Due to this, Wanda Petrovsky was disturbed in getting study. So therefore, she started to come to school after 2 days, after 3 days, but not regularly, as she was disturbed by living there and by sitting along with the rough student. And not only this, she was also joked by Peggy and Betty, because Wanda Petrovsky was a liar student in the view of Peggy. Because when Peggy asked herself how many dresses and shoes does she have, at this she replied that she contains 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes. While she used to come in the school by wearing dirty clothes and muddy pair of shoes. Then she thought that if she had 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes, then definitely she changed the dress and pair of shoes daily. But when she is not changing, then how can it be possible that she is having 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes? So therefore, she understood Margaret Petrovsky as a lawyer student in the view. Since a long time, Margaret Petrovsky was not coming to school. In the meanwhile, a competition was held of the girls as well as of the boys. After the boys, the competition was related to design a motorboat, while after the girls, the competition was related to design to the dresses. Next day, when the result was announced by the class teacher, Ms. Masoon. Before declaring the result, Mehdi was thinking that Peggy only will stood first in the competition. But as soon as Ms. Masoon appeared in the classroom and she stood and she declared, announced the result, then she told first of all among the boys. Among the boys, the name was taken Jack Baggins, who stood first in designing motorboat. And afterwards, the name of Wanda Petrovsky was called by Ms. Masoon, their class teacher, as she stood first in designing the dresses. Because the whole of the room was completely decorated of 100 design dress, and all the 100 design dress were hanging on the wall. Due to this, the judges estimated that there is nobody else who has stood first in designing the dress, but it is only one candidate, and that is Wanda Petrovsky, who has stood first in designing the dress, as she has done that, and she has worked hard as much as she could. Also, it was said by judge that any computer or in competition, it is not seen by the judge that the computer is seen because of financial condition, but the computer is checked because of hidden qualities in its side. And Wanda Petrovsky became very happy, became very pleased by listening that she has stood first in designing the dresses. Although that day, Wanda Petrovsky was absent, she did not come to school, and she had not been also coming to school since a long time. She was absent that day. But as soon as the message about coming first in designing dresses was given to Wanda Petrovsky, she also became very pleased, became very happy, and was as she told. But dear student, now today I told you the 100 dresses were explaining in English only, along with all the related question answer in English. I think that you have understood the explanation, whatever I have explained you on the board. Also, comment please if you have any. Today's topic is over. Tomorrow morning I will meet you again for the next chapter. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद।